hindi, walang respectful ako. Pero kung insultuhin mo ako, manginsulto ko. Ha?
Attorney Torian, in relation to that, one of your posts earlier, you made mention, non-verbatim na ayaw niyo daw-dawga ang taga-Bukid kay usukol ni. Sa press conference last night, may mga defamatory remarks na note ninyo?
Wala na. Mga threats, legal threats, mga ganon. Pero in her previous declarations kasi, in her previous, of course, kagabi, masyado siyang mapakit kagabi kasi marami mong nakatingin. Ako, you see what you get. You see what you get. I am a little bit hyped up, different from the cool Attorney Torian because I was insulted last night. I don't feel good about So, pagpasensyahan niyo na. Pero kagabi, I have to emphasize, medyo mabait si Ma'am Beverly po kagabi. We should give her credit for that, no? Merong mga statements na parang nakakapanglaki po.
Attorney, can we ask Elias?
Yes, please.
Elias, gulit mo nito bagundong or pilit mo, no? Kung sa inyo